See you look like that. I was so embarrassed.
It's funny you brought it up. I was talking about those glamour shots.
I don't know if they still do them. Do they?
I don't know. I seen it at the mall. Yeah. You take pictures of your baby on a lily pad or something. I saw that. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, I think I got it. We had it done at Sam's because they had some kind of special. I didn't even, I don't know if we were just there and they pulled us in and just did it right then and there, or they gave us an appointment. I do remember the doll and you guys out there. Kelly's. You guys are girl. She said to the kid, she worked at a bakery. She
Who?
decorated kids.
Jennifer?
Yeah, the mother.
Oh, wow. Cute. I go, she
Yeah,
saw all these
she was getting rid of
sitting
all
out.
these,
And she thought, these are the most
doodads.
beautiful things I've ever seen.
Well, yeah, I put them in the new bag because that bag was at the bag. I mean, look at all these. There's one for the boy cakes.
The boy cake, huh?
And then there's a little.
It's cute.
tray.
Grandpa has one of these.
Yeah,
The naked lady. She doesn't have her nipples painted. Grandpas have their nipples painted.
Really? I think he probably did it.
He did it make them more obscene.
Look at this lady on a lounge chair from the backyard. The football helmet.
Football helmet?
Yeah, all the teams right here.
Oh, I thought I was like, she has a football helmet?
Yeah, it's right here. Right there, it's like a ring. Or a charger. They're just generic. Then there's another one. Ponytail.
Oh, that's cute. I like the
same
naked
lady?
lady.
That's
I
good.
remember always staring at them when I was a kid going, there's a naked lady up there.
Oh, are you? I thought that was weird too. So he said it, that somebody
I like
came
it
up
though.
with some kind of cake or something to do that. Or they went to Hawaii or something.
Yeah.
Anyway, look at this. It's a little train. It goes on like a round cake, you know. And then here's some of the kids play with trains. I don't even know which is the right side. Get it on track. You want to do that? As if you could really do this when it's on a cake and be smashing it.
Whoa!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's for you, Kimberly. It's wherever you want to go on Santa Fe. Where would you go if you had a train ticket? We went from Pennsylvania all the way home on Santa Fe.
Yeah?
Yeah, 3 days it took.
Said go to the Alamo. Like a Pee-wee.
Not too good.
No, I've no interest going out. What
I don't know.
We already saw it.
Yeah, I was
Pee-wee.
gonna say,
You don't need
yeah.
to go see it again.
Yeah, no, it's not like it's anything that I care about.
There's this park. And it has mountains and lots of flowers. And I'd like to go there.
Is it in Texas?
No. Let me look it up. Mount Rainier National Park, Seattle. Only $100 flight. Look at this ball of. Look at this. Oh, now I can see her face. Wow, look at her.
There's rattles. And I think there's some pacifiers in here too.
Look at this bag is full of naked ladies. I want a naked lady. Are those the same one? Look, it's all look at one.
Gladly take 'em.
Wow,
I
you got
didn't
a
know
lot.
there was such an assortment.
I think you could probably make. Oh, I think these are really popular. They're so classic. We should
I
sell
know.
them. But I don't want to sell them because they're so. They're too cute. I want them.
Let's see if we have
Yeah.
a redhead in here.
You got every kind of woman in here.
Got twins right here.
Woo! We got the
Twins.
blonde blue Cinderella girl. Ooh. Give me one that you have a double of. We'll take them.
Look at the coal bags. You know, like you've been naughty or nice. I didn't know I had these. I was giving them to Maverick. You know, his middle name is Cole. Did you know that?
Yeah. Huh? Maverick's middle name is Cole?
Coal, like the coal mine. not C-O-L-E.
That's cute.
Yeah. Only Ryan. Think of that.
I like that.
But you know, it's weird as I was looking at.
It's kind of like Colton, too.
Yeah. Remember Dawn used to call him Coco? He always gave somebody, he goes, I always wanted a nickname, right? He never had one.
And he asked his granddaughter. She said she gave him 3 to choose from.
Yeah, but that was a nickname. That was a middle name.
Well, it's kind of both.
I already gave him a middle name when I first met him. Look at the hot
What
dog.
was that?
Angel.
Oh.
I said you're my Johnny Angel.
Oh.
You know, like Johnny Angel. Johnny Angel. And then, I don't know if he even thought about me. Because every letter, that's how I would start
Donnie
it.
Angel.
My sweet Johnny Angel. Look at the little coat.
Oh, wow.
But these real big. I don't know why
See?
she was selling all these
Good.
cute things.
It is
I
good
can't make
stuff.
cakes anymore.
Hmm?
I mean, you stick all these in the cake like you're having a Coke party. Hot dogs and Coke.
Oh, I never seen a Coke with a green bottle though. It's more like a beer party.
7
Oh, there you go. Sprite. Same route.
I wonder if there's a name on it. It looks like a Coca-Cola bottle. There is a name on it, isn't there? Is it just this is
Look, there's a little. I'm gonna make. We can make necklaces out of this. We could all wear a hot dog necklace. 'Cause it has a little thing. We'll just wind it with a string.
I just typed Brenda that word. I said, remember Shirley used to say hot dog and popcorn? She's from Massachusetts. And then I thought about it. I'm thinking she calls Rhonda and Brenda. And I'm thinking, why? Why was that? You know? It didn't make sense.
The
Why are you
accent.
saying every word wrong?
Well,
You know,
you
even
made
though
it.
you'd say it's wrong, duh.
Duh.
And it's like they were next door to us for all those years.
Maybe she's
Knew
trying to
our
make
name.
life interesting. You know, it's like family.
Or is it full of, is that cake batter? Maybe we had it laying on the cake.
Oh,
Here's
yeah.
the artificial. I have the rubber watches. Maybe.
Yeah, I have Chucky's.
The little bears. Oh, they hold the candles, I think. Those big wire kind.
Yeah, so don't you want this on your birthday cake? Oh,
Is it wax
I
or
would.
plastic?
Stick them all on. You got a naked lady, a bear, Tommy, and Chucky.
If we have a twin.
Choo choo train. You really got a party
We have
going. Hot
innocent-
dog.
Innocent children's candles with the Las Vegas hotel matches. I don't think they made matches anymore.
What was the Rainbow Hotel like? Did you stay there?
I don't even know where these came from. I mean, I know it came from there. I have an enormous box of nothing but matches from all over. You know, they used to, every time people would buy a pack of cigarettes, they
Mhm.
always gave them a book of matches. There's 20 cigarettes in a pack and then 20 matches in a, you know. So you cannot let it blow out. You have to use it. Otherwise you don't have enough for all your cigs.
Well, how considerate of them.
I
Like,
don't think I've ever used a match. It's such a big deal. You have to stop
I love the way they
everything.
smell, but I'm afraid to use them unless they're long.
See if there's even any used out of this pack.
Should we
Looks
light
one.
one?
Looks like one.
Oh, two of
Let's
them.
see if it still lights.
Oh my god, wow.
Nothing worse than when it doesn't, the striker don't work. It's not enough. It's like an emery board. It's supposed to be. And then the match, the sulfur chips away. It's terrible on a windy day, too. We used to have to huddle. Everybody putting it. But these are, I guess,
It's
matches go
unbelievable. How old are they?
Well, as old as you.
It's ancient.
Yeah, because I went to the
I can't be
yard
lit
sale.
anymore. Can't
Either that or
wait.
I'm just not. Maybe I forgot how to strike it. No.
What is this?
This is
So-
a blow up palm tree.
Then you could set that up and have the naked ladies sit under it. What a nice setup.
You blow that up. You wanted to make the effort. Anyway,
No party.
that's just a party bag.
No baby.
Took
Are
the
you gonna,
direct to train set.
we ever have a baby, you're gonna put these on the baby computer cake, pull them out.
I'll save it for
Save-
you guys that have one. For my
Oh,
grandchildren.
I like all these cheerful balloons. That's cute.
Yeah, that was a. Well, I think that was it went with
The heart
Rugrat,
balloons. That's cute.
we used to go and have the cakes made, and they would.
I would
put whole
buy these all the
scenery.
this is what I would buy all the time to eat. These things. Those are my favorite thing. On the way home from middle school or
Mexican cake.
with when we lived with Shane, we'd
you
go to the little
wafer
Mexican
cake?
store and eat these all the time. We'd buy them the bundles. So, yeah, the wafers.
You know what that reminds me of? Fish food.
Yeah, they were good.
Just rice.
Mhm.
Rice patties or something.
They just felt nice on your tongue.
Oh, look, here's another
They had
pack.
they taste like nothing
You
but
should mail Shane
but
a
cardboard, but it was a nice cardboard. Yeah, I should
See,
take a picture,
and
send it.
See what the ingredients are. Where's the
Wheat
ingredients?
flour, water, corn oil, artificial color.
Let me
and
see it.
That's
Let's
it.
see it.
Right here.
Where? I don't see
It's
it.
right there.
Oh, okay. You need flour? Yeah, well, I was thinking rice, you know, because it gels up. And what do they do? Just pour it like pancakes and break it up?
I don't know. Maybe we should make it
Let's
someday.
try it. No.
Yeah.
I think they still sell it.
What? Oh, no.
Which one to the
Mommy, it's going to be awful.
I was going to say something like this would never go bad.
All right, let's try it.